Hello guys, Plumpy here. In today's video, we're gonna walk through the streets. We're here at the Araneta City in Cubao, Quezon City. Kasi first time ko mamasyal dito sa Araneta City sa Cubao, kaya nakikita ko yung Smart Araneta Coliseum. Ang laki talaga. So andito tayo sa Fiesta Carnival. According to EsquireMag.ph, the amusement park located in the heart of Cubao, popular in the 70s and 80s. It's making a return in time for this year's holiday season. The officials of Araneta City, the busy residential and commercial area that used to be called Araneta Center. Ang Fiesta Carnival na to ay dati itong Shopwise. Sa palagay ko, ito ang kauna-unang indoor amusement park sa Pilipinas noong dekada 70 at 80. Sa loob nito ay makikita sa iba't ibang rides at attractions at talaga namang magugustuhan ng mga bata. That includes Electric Carnival. It's an amusement arcade just inside the Fiesta Carnival. That includes bowling and some arcade stuff. Parang was it fun?
Pagkatapos nito, magwa-walking tour muna tayo sa Araneta City.
Kung saan makikita natin yung Smart Araneta Coliseum, Animal, SM Araneta City, Gateway Mall, and other small establishment dito sa Araneta City. Anyway, I'm gonna walk now. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys and enjoy watching.